In the world of logging, there's no room for weakness. From frozen rivers to collapsing bridges, from endless mud pits to impossible inclines, only the toughest machines and the boldest drivers survive. Peterbilts, Kenworths, Caterpillars, and hand-built giants roar to life, hauling colossal loads where no road dares to exist. Engines growl, steel bends, and every battle against nature becomes a test of raw power, precision, and pure determination. This isn't just logging, it's man and machine against the wild. Welcome to Timber Force. Let's dive in. Rolling through Cedro-Woolley, Washington, this Peterbilt isn't just hauling logs, it's hauling history. Towering stacks of fur ride high as its engine growls with raw confidence. A rig built to conquer the heaviest loads, this machine doesn't just work the woods, it defies logging at its finest. Thick snow, freezing cold, and towering logs. No match for this beast of a groomer. It lifts, it hauls, and it powers through like a true champion, proving that winter is just another battle to win. On the toughest roads, only the toughest machines endure. And in the heart of winter, this giant keeps on rolling. With precision and raw muscle, a Caterpillar tractor takes center stage. As the truck arrives loaded with a massive tree trunk, this iron beast moves in. Carefully, almost surgically, it lifts and eases the giant log from the trailer. Proof that even in a world of brute force, true power lies in control.
That thing is heavy. It's been sitting in the...
When the road disappears, real machines carve their own path. This MANTGA 33.3506x4 floats across the Mall River, proving that brutal conditions are just another day on the job. Even earthquake damage can't stop the timber from moving. Where there's will, there's a way, and this truck always finds it. With raw torque and unstoppable strength, the Cat 518 has wrestled countless logs into submission. But Sumama is a different beast. Its colossal trunk stands defiant, refusing to move. Proof that even the mightiest skidder can meet its match in the heart of the forest. No engines roaring, only the crunch of snow under hooves and the creak of timber being hauled. The raw simplicity and timeless power of draft horse logging on a winter's day is something to behold. This is logging stripped to its core, natural, pure, and undeniably beautiful. A Burer 6105 hauling timber across a sea of golden flowers, where raw strength collides with breathtaking beauty. The rugged power of the machine against endless soft fields feels like something out of a storybook. Who knew timber transport could look this majestic? This skidder is a true powerhouse, armed with massive chain tires, a reinforced hydraulic grapple, and an unstoppable winch. It dominates the steepest slopes and the muddiest trails like a lion ruling its territory. Its high-torque engine drags logs as if they were twigs, while the heavy-duty blade carves clear paths through the wild. Logging is never easy, but with a machine like this, it runs smooth as steel. Three Mercedes 3344 beasts thunder through the forest, lined up like war elephants on a mission. With monstrous torque, all-wheel drive, and reinforced chassis, these trucks carry the heaviest loads without breaking a sweat. Behind them, the John Deere 425K trails like a loyal guardian, always ready to step in when the terrain turns treacherous. When it comes to hauling heavy logs, the BMC 827 doesn't just get the job done, it dominates. With a powerhouse engine, reinforced suspension, and brutal off-road capability, this beast crushes even the roughest logging routes like a true champion. Hear that? That's the deep growl of a V10, effortlessly dragging tons of timber uphill like it's nothing. With monstrous torque, brutal off-road traction, and a gearbox built for the grind, this truck doesn't hesitate. It devours inclines. The harsher the terrain, the harder it bites back. Rolling heavy with a full load, this timber hauler storms across the Marmara Bridge like a king. Its suspension swallows every bump, the engine roars with raw fury, and the sheer weight of the logs commands respect. The bridge may shake, but this machine stays steady, built to conquer, never to hesitate. When logging season arrives, so does this beast. With a high-torque engine, reinforced suspension, and unstoppable all-wheel drive, it laughs in the face of mud and sneers at the steepest inclines. An enormous handmade truck thunders down the road, its massive bed overflowing with towering stalks of bamboo. Every detail of this beast is crafted by hand, a raw display of ingenuity and power. Homemade 6-engine timber truck is very strong, and it shows, hauling its colossal load with strength that rivals even the toughest machines.